Imagine a future where scientists have unlocked the secret to immortality, allowing a human to live for 1,000, 10,000, or even 1 million years. Such a breakthrough would upend everything we know about biology, society, and our place in the cosmos. On one hand, the prospect of eternal life promises unlimited time to explore, innovate, and grow, but on the other, it raises profound scientific, psychological, and societal challenges. One major scientific challenge is understanding how to maintain cellular integrity over such extended periods. Our bodies naturally age due to accumulated genetic damage, protein misfolding, and metabolic byproducts. To achieve immortality, scientists would need to develop advanced therapies or even radical bioengineering to repair or replace tissues continuously. Could nanotechnology or regenerative medicine, for instance, evolve to the point where they can rejuvenate every cell or even fully replace organs as they wear out? Current research in stem cells and organ regeneration provides glimpses of what might one day be possible, though we remain far from such capabilities. Psychologically, living for millennia would present unique hurdles. How would a person cope with the endless passage of time? Over extended lifespans, individuals might experience what some call memory overload, where the sheer volume of life experiences becomes overwhelming. One possible solution might involve integrating artificial memory storage or periodically curating personal memories to preserve essential aspects of identity while letting go of less important details. Moreover, endless life might lead to a profound existential dilemma. If there is no natural endpoint, can purpose and meaning still be sustained? While some might find fulfillment in continuously evolving interests and goals, others might struggle with boredom or a sense of stagnation over thousands of years. Societal structures would also undergo radical transformation. In a world where immortality is the norm, traditional life milestones, education, career, retirement, would be redefined. Economic systems might strain under the pressure of an ever-growing population unless technological and social innovations find ways to balance resource consumption with longevity. Could social hierarchies deepen if only a select few have access to immortality-enhancing treatments? This possibility has already sparked debates about equity and fairness, prompting researchers to consider whether immortality could ultimately be a tool for progress or a source of eternal inequality. An alternative path for achieving indefinite lifespans might involve the digital realm, uploading human consciousness into a virtual world. In such a scenario, the physical body is no longer the vessel for life. Instead, a digital mind might persist in a simulated environment. While this approach could theoretically bypass biological aging, it raises questions about personal identity and the nature of consciousness. If a digital copy of your mind continues to live, is it truly you or merely a replica with its own path? Such philosophical and practical questions underscore the complexity of pursuing immortality, whether through biological means or technological augmentation. Ultimately, the invention of immortality would force us to re-examine the fundamentals of life itself. While the idea of living for 1,000, 10,000, or even 1 million years is tantalizing, it comes with significant scientific and ethical implications. Could our current understanding of cellular repair, memory management, and social evolution adapt to such a paradigm? The ongoing research in regenerative medicine, AI, and digital consciousness suggests that while the journey is fraught with challenges, the pursuit of extended life may eventually open new frontiers of human existence. The question remains, would eternal life enhance our humanity or fundamentally alter what it means to be human? Human psychology is shaped by the awareness of mortality, influencing emotions, goals, and decision-making. If immortality is achieved, humans may experience memory saturation, where the brain struggles to store and process millions of years of experiences. Boredom, existential fatigue, and identity shifts could arise, making long-term psychological stability a challenge. Advanced memory management systems or consciousness resets might be necessary to prevent mental overload. A person living for 10,000 years might forget their original childhood memories and past selves. It's like a computer hard drive. Without periodic deletion or external storage, it eventually runs out of space. Immortality would require constant biological renewal or technological augmentation to counteract cellular decay and neural degradation, Techniques like telomere extension, regenerative medicine, nanotechnology, and brain-computer interfaces would be essential. Over millions of years, humans may transition into cybernetic or fully digital beings to avoid biological limitations. Evolution may no longer be natural selection, but technological enhancement driven by AI. A future human might replace biological organs with synthetic versions that never age. It's like maintaining an old car. Eventually, every part gets replaced, making it a completely different machine. If death is eliminated, overpopulation and resource depletion become major concerns, potentially requiring off-world colonization. Immortality could lead to extreme social stratification, where only the wealthy control longevity, creating a ruling class of eternal beings. Laws and political structures would need to adapt to indefinite lifespans, changing concepts like retirement, inheritance, and justice. Ethical debates over who deserves immortality could divide civilizations. A billionaire class of immortals could maintain power for millennia, blocking societal progress for the majority. It's like a chess game where a few players never lose their pieces, while others constantly start over. Human drive and ambition are often fueled by limited time and urgency, but an immortal lifespan removes this pressure. People may struggle to maintain motivation, leading to apathy or the need for artificial challenges and meaning. Mental stagnation and emotional desensitization could emerge, requiring neurological enhancements to sustain engagement. Without new challenges and societal evolution, civilizations could become stagnant. A person living for 1,000,000 years might cycle through countless professions but eventually lose interest in all pursuits. It's like playing a video game with unlimited lives. Without risk or stakes, the excitement disappears. Over 10,000 plus years, immortal humans would need to colonize other planets, harness interstellar resources, and develop space habitats. Deep space travel could become practical, as individuals would have infinite time to endure long voyages. As humans spread across the cosmos, cultural and biological divergence could lead to the evolution of new, post-human species, adapted to different environments. The ultimate goal could be expansion beyond the galaxy and survival through the heat death of the universe. A colony of immortal humans might travel to another star system over thousands of years, becoming unrecognizable from their Earth-bound ancestors. It's like a tree growing indefinitely, its branches spread far apart, evolving separately over time. If the physical body cannot be maintained indefinitely, consciousness could be uploaded into a digital world. This raises philosophical questions about identity, continuity, and the nature of self-awareness. A digital existence would allow people to simulate infinite experiences, but it might disconnect humans from the physical universe. There could be dangers like hacking, memory corruption, or AI control over human minds. A person could live in a simulated paradise, but if the system crashes, their consciousness could be lost forever. It's like storing a person's entire life inside a computer. If the system malfunctions, everything is gone. Traditional societal structures, like marriage, family, and career progression, may become obsolete in an immortal civilization. Humans might form temporary relationships instead of lifelong commitments, as eternity alters concepts of love and companionship. Laws governing crime and punishment would need to address the ethics of imprisoning someone for thousands of years. Artistic and intellectual pursuits might evolve into hyper-advanced, constantly shifting forms. A couple married for 500,000 years may have cycled through countless identities, lifestyles, and belief systems. It's like rewriting a book endlessly. After enough time, the original story is unrecognizable. If humans survive long enough, they will need to confront the death of the sun, the Milky Way's collision with Andromeda, and the eventual heat death of the universe. One possibility is escaping into parallel universes through quantum tunneling or artificially creating new energy sources. Advanced civilizations might seek ways to reverse entropy or engineer an alternate cosmos to avoid cosmic extinction. Surviving trillions of years may require knowledge far beyond current physics. An immortal being may watch galaxies fade into darkness over billions of years, seeking an escape. It's like being the last human in an abandoned city. Everything fades, and survival means finding an exit. The prospect of eternal life raises philosophical and existential dilemmas. Would a person retain their humanity after evolving over millennia? Is immortality a gift or a curse, and could people opt to terminate their existence voluntarily? Would spirituality and belief systems change if death is no longer a certainty? Ultimately, the choice to live forever might depend on whether purpose, adventure, and meaning can still exist in an endless timeline. Some people might embrace infinite existence, while others may choose to end their consciousness after centuries. It's like an endless road. Some will keep walking, while others may decide to stop.